Create today cache lucky draw. Okay, uh, we are going to create first of all lucky draw page. Let's div. Okay, class space y8. Okay, and let's page header. Okay, one div for a class name of page white, and then let's another div for like flex item justify center. Okay, and then let's create one background with lucky draw, manage with lucky draw. One div is icon section, another is this one, and wait, one div missing, justify between under this one. Okay, yes. Okay, this is page header, basic gradient right from green 6 to, and this is a text center, and item center x space x is 4, then width, this one is a page header. Okay, this is page header, and there is a icon not showing, so something is not working. So let's see, go to the layouts, admin layouts, apps. Here is cloud font awesome, then hub. So what happens, .5 CSS, all right. Okay, plus icon is working, this icon are working, only this is not working. Okay, let's see later. One things, this CSS is loading or not. Let's use after Tailwind. What will be the case? No. Okay, let's see later. This one I will check, this one coming, page header is finished. Okay, and after this page header we have to making a table section here. Okay, here is draw tables. Okay, let's create a one div for this one, and let's one header, right, and close this div. Okay, and let's create if, okay, tables. I'm thinking to here page initiation, okay, or is draws count is else in div. If there is a no draws, let's this one, okay, and if draws have, let's create a one overflow axis auto and after that let's create one table head and table body and table, yes, let's format this one, okay. No, not this one. Let's create a table row with colors tr, okay, and then let's create a first table row, right, column is draw title and the last syntax we need to use, okay, yes, this one is first, let's another for entry point, okay, this is entry amount and entry fees, okay, and same another is date, let's use this one, yes, this is for date, and let's go to the status, okay, this is a status, okay, if draw status else and if, one second, else if draw dot status else, okay, that is end if, and another is action section, okay, another is this is action, this is a base URL of the view. Okay, let's create route admin dot draws no cache draw dot index so, and then draw dot id, and then if okay draw dot status then else and if draw status is active, okay, if complete this one and this one, if okay, here we have to show the base URL if is complete. Let's go to the edit, right, cache draw edit, and then the else we have to show cannot be editable. If we not select winner dot route, okay, now not now this route created, let's this one and delete it. Oh, this one, and let's if not completed we can route cache draw delete, and are you sure do you want to delete, right, and then hit it. So let's this one, and here we have create else, okay, and one more thing, let's go to the controller admin controller cache draw, let's create draws dot paginate 10, right, okay, let's send this one, and latest first, okay, we'll create this one later, and after that table let's add the pagination, okay, and cache draw not found, let's import here, okay, another control command panel import php artisan make factory minus model cache draw, okay, example post factory, oh factory name not cache draw factory, okay, let's see the factory, okay, let's same like we have to use title is sentence description, price amount, entry fee, and draw date, and status, right, and let's header php artisan migrate make no need to see the right, I think PSP artisan tinker. Okay, app models cache draw factory 100 create. One second, I think cache draw rename this one, no need. Three, this one, let's 1 second. I think let's go to the model. Oh, here is has factory. Use has factory. Okay, that's why it still has factory protected. Okay, less fillable price amount. I think is guarded is better. GURDED guarded. GURDED guarded, right? Cache draw factory. Explicit URI factory model cache draw. Okay, cache draw. First of all, let's clear cache. PSP artisan cache clear thinker. Yes, it's a cache issue, right? It's created our factories. Let's see. Draw description something issue. Let's see. There is an index, cache index. Let's this one. Oh, cache draw delete is, I understand, not a delete, destroy. Or is destroys? Destroy. This will be hidden from, we'll make later. Okay. Ah, nice. Okay, this icon let's copy in the top also. Where is our icon? This FS $sign also in the here list to $sign. What happened? Not here. All money bill books here. Yes, but see the pagination. Wow. Let's for pagination. For pagination. little bit better. Nice. It's dark. Let's console. Oh, what happened? Supply resource is not valid. Stream resource F right. What happened? I cannot delete. Okay. Let's generate Laravel pagination generator. Okay, Laravel pagination template generate. Yes, copy this one, publish. Okay, if you go here, Laravel PHP artisan vendor publish minus tag is equal to Laravel pagination. Okay, if you this pagination, go to the vendor file, there is everything Tailwind simple pagination and Tailwind blade, right? Let's use Tailwind. Okay, so here template use vendor Tailwind. Let's see, also coming, right? So background white, I think PHP artisan cache killer. Let's see, inspect. See, dark BG. Okay, and this border dark active, everything is dark. So if we remove this one, so it will work. What is this? Yes, with this one. And in the simple, what type of have? Simple also dark. Semantic default. Busy white, border white, item center, pagination previous. I don't want to dark. This one, let's remove this one. Let's remove dark. Oh not from here, yeah. Yes, here, here. See what happened? Coming from where? Coming from where? Let's see. Yes, gone. It means here. Yes, but it's still coming dark. Where is dark? 1 second, okay. Use here, remove this dark pagination, make light, okay. Because here is pagination dark. 1 second, let's use the cursor also. It's easy for this dark remove. Let's remove this dark, okay. Yes, okay, fine. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, yes, correct. No need. Okay, we have to remove from the background what is dark. We have to remove this dark, okay. Everywhere busy dark busy from pagination after this vendor publishing. No need to use this one. And okay, let's go to the create.blade.php. Let's use the same things. Okay, let's remove this one, and I think we have to use header is okay, right? And what we have to do here, we don't need this one. Okay, that is fine. And space y8 to 6, and background right from green emerald rounded py white is okay. We have to use this is justify also we have to use. And then let's create a for with back button. Okay, let's use only this one. Create a lock key draw, set up for cash price, and with the back button. Back button means let's route to index, okay. And then background white rounded to excel, shadow lg, and border grid, okay. This is let's make a border gray 100, and then py6 border bottom gray 200, okay. And then h2 have cash draw details, okay. Here cash draw details, okay. Let's after this div let's create one form. which is route.store method csrf. Yes, that is correct. And let's also give a class p6 and space y6 and then let's create a form. And this one div grid. Let's create a one label for title. Okay, this is castro titles and name is title. And value is old. Okay, same value, not here. Old. And then price amount also. Okay, yes, price amount, status, and create cash draw. Let's see. Oh, here is not routed. Go to index page, add here route for create. Okay, this is price creation. Okay, description, price amount, entry fee, cash draws, but this is not good form. Okay, title we are use. Let me remove this one. Okay, and this is a price label, and this is after grid deep, and then we have to not using this one. Okay, description, let's add this one. Let's use this one, price amount, and is old price. Okay, after that grid, next grid create. Okay, for next grid we have to show the column 3's entry fee, total winner. Okay, value is entry fee, and all value is total winner is 1. Okay, default is 1, and same on the old date, created date. And another div is we need to, after that, description. Okay, let's say the whole description in the form. Description name is old, also required. And let's selection method. Okay, how selection method we are needed. This is a winner selection method, automatic selected or manual selection. And checkbox is, let's use, yes, if manual selection, if 0, if 1 or 0 is selected. Okay, and then let's create the submission button finally. Okay, justify center, this is a cancel. index route, and this is create cast draw. Yes, little bit better, right? So there is not a space with this. Let's see, cast draw detail one space. Not working. Cast draw detail. Yes, MR2. Okay, yes, better, right? So one more thing we have to do. Let's here error title, right? Before this, let's try how it looks like. Okay, title field is required. Nice, it's nice. Okay, so let's see here also price amount, entry fees, total winner, date, and then description, manual selection. Okay, that is a validation error. And I think in the table section, raw detail, table price, all cast draws table, right? Let's show error or success messages. Okay, if session has been success, if failure, we have to show this one. Okay, and let's create one PSP artisan make request store cash draw store request and cash draw update request. No, store and update, I think we have to make same request. Okay, so cash draw store and update request. Okay, so let's go this store request, let's delete, and store and update request let's authorize true, and let's title is required, description also required, minimum price, entry fee, date is required, is manual is required, is active is required. We have active or not? Manual section, description, total, no. All right, active status is no. Let's create this one also. Okay, we are creating, let's say first of all migration file for Castro. Status is active, inactive, or completed, right? There is, so not a boolean, status is in active, inactive, and completed. Okay, so that is our cash draws. Let's use here another section here, status, select option, status is active, inactive, or completed, right? Okay, it's a little bit bigger. class empty4 with 1/2, 1/2 also big 3, 1/3, yes, nice. But it's okay. Let's go to the cache draw controller. Okay, let's cache draw store update validation, and then cache draw validate it and go to the success. All right, and show method and edit methods. Okay, and cache draw updated and validation false. And one more thing, there is no destroy methods are delete not a get method. Okay, so we don't use this one. Let's create one from cache destroy delete. Okay, let's go back, delete, okay, delete, okay, delete it, nice. Cache draw deleted successfully message is also showing. And let's disappear this success and failure message for success msg and failed msg. Okay, and then go to the app sections. Where is our javascript? App section, here our javascript. Okay, set timeout, set timeout. Let's see, delete, okay, not deleted, oh deleted, nice. Okay, let's create fill up form with nums 22, test also this one 32 37, entry fee, winner price, date, status is active, create. Request does not exist. I get it. What happened means here, let's import. Okay, we need to import this one, that's why. Let's reload. Cache draw request does not exist. No, it's exists now. Reflection, what happened? Create. Oh, not this one, right? What are you doing, bro? App http request / cache draw request. Here is request. Yes, why something is received? validation error? No. Which validation error coming? Let's see. Required price amount, entry fee, date, and draw date is manual. Let's go to here. And draw date, status is active, inactive, completed. That's correct. And date, draw date is okay. And where is the issue? What is the issue? Let's see. Check validation errors. Okay, if any errors, let's show all errors. Okay, let's fill up the form. Enter active field is required. That is the main problem. See, ha ha ha. Why? Because our cache drawer is status. Going to the here, we see here is field name is status, but validation using active inactive, not active inactive. Okay, that is a status field. So go to here, fill up the forms, create cache drawer created, name. Let's create another. Go to here. This one SSSS. Yes, let's delete. Okay, let's edit. Okay, there is no edit forms, right? And go to here. I can create to edit.blade.psv and copy this one. We can use this one, but let's create a new one also. Okay, create to edit cache draw locate draw and editor cache draw back index update. Okay, and put method we have to pass, and here cache draw title. No, let's use no method put, this is old price amount cache draw passes here, entry fee. Okay, winner cache draw total winner, draw date, description, manual selection, status. Okay, that is the main thing for edit. Let's go to edit. Variable cache draw is undefined, right? So I think what we have to pass is draw. No, cache draw. We are also pass the cache draw. Okay, yes, this is updated. Okay, this is coming 1 1 1. Let's go to again 1 1 1 3 1 updated 32 to 100, entry fee 5, and this is also something. This is now manual. Make inactive, create active, inactive. Okay, manual 105, 10. Okay, there is something not updated. Let's see, PSP and root. Let's see, Laravel draw, cache draw. Where is our cache draw? This is cache draw, and latest is this is updated 500, manual selection. Okay, total winner. Okay, not showing total winner. Why? Because of the request, right? Where is the total winner? Total winner, also numeric, so that's why it's 100 and no 10 is total winner. Price inactive to, but this is a inactive, right? So inactive, but here is showing active in the table. Go back, see where is active. That is a mistake. Let's see the index page. What is active, inactive? Active status is completed, showing to the edit, that is no. Before this one, status is active or inactive and completed, then completed. Yes, that is a good idea. We can complete it status, we can reuse this one, and edit also done, creation also done, right? So let's product. Okay, go to the index, copy these three. Okay, go to the product draws. Yes, let's this one to this one index, and this is let's delete. Okay, PSP artisan make request product draw store request. Here is image needed, that's why I am not using same request, that's why I updated. No need to image, and this one image. Okay, so these two are requested, and let's see the use field. These are participant count, everything. Go to the store draw. Okay, yes, participant count no, it is automatically counted. Total winner status is manual, draw date, product price, entry fee, description, product name, image is required. Okay, but while creating a product is required. Okay, this is required for image and active, inactive and completed. Let's see the it's the same completed. Yes, yeah, so completed. Okay, and here is fine, but here is nullable. Okay, image here is nullable, here is required. Okay, and then go to the product draw. Let's and draws. Okay, this one. Okay, let's do the create, let's do the store, validate, not a validate only. Let's store image. Okay, product have image get aligned with time dot get original strength, and here is product draw. And the same on edit, and product draws, find update. If images has, this is image request merge, and delete. If product image has unpublished from the public. Okay, and then go to the down, destroy the images and products draw. Okay, let's see. Product created from the request validated, and we are merging to this product image. Everything is fine. Let's go to the here, and let's use as factory. Okay, I need has factory, and let's okay, fillable we can, but guarded this is also okay. Geo RD guarded. Okay, that is product draw, and let's see the product draw, and product draw, and then product draw, all cast out the product draw, and a little bit product draw table. Let's make a separate, not found the product draws. What is this? Yes, okay, no found product draw, product draws, create first product draw. Okay, and this is after draws, let's create a first of all product image. Let's next session we have to create a product draw. Okay, now cast draw only, it's a big videos.